In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your billing history on Whop quickly and easily, so you can review past payments, digital purchases, and subscription renewals all in one place. This is really helpful if you need to find a receipt, confirm a charge, or open a specific order for more details. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because the menu we need is located from the main account view. If you're on a different page, just navigate back to the home area so everything is easy to find. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account menu, where you'll see several options related to your Whop account. From this drop-down menu, click on Orders. This is where Whop stores your billing and transaction history. After you click Orders, you'll be taken to your dedicated dashboard. Here, you'll see a full chronological list of every payment you've made, every digital product you've purchased, and every subscription renewal connected to your account. This makes it easy to track your activity over time and quickly locate the exact transaction you're looking for. If you want to review more information about a specific purchase, simply click on the Order row. That will expand the transaction details so you can see more about that charge. This is useful if you want to confirm the amount, check what was purchased, or verify when the order was placed. And if you need an itemized receipt or want to submit a refund claim, look for the 3 dots next to that transaction. Click those 3 dots to open the additional options, then use the Resolution Center if that's the next step you need. That's where you can handle receipt, access, and refund-related actions for that specific order. So, to recap, sign into Whop, open your profile menu, click Orders, review your transaction list, and open any order for the details you need. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.